In this video, I'll show you how to replace text in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. In this example, I've written a paragraph and it has the word Monday in it 8 times. But now I want to change it to Tuesday. Now I could go into each word and just replace it with Tuesday by hand, but what if this is a really long document? Hundreds of pages long. That would be silly. So let's use a faster method. To begin, go to the Home tab at the top of the ribbon. Then we're going to move over to Editing and click Replace. This pop-up window will appear. Keep it selected as Replace, and we're now going to input Find What. So in this section, we're going to write in the word we wanted to look for. I wanted to look for Monday with a capital M. And as stated before, I want to replace it with Tuesday with a capital T. Then, if I just clicked Replace, it would navigate to the first word, which is here. Then click Replace and it would change it. And then it will go to the next one, which is here. Click Replace. Now, if you've got hundreds of words that need replacing, that's going to take too long. So we can simply click Replace All. It will then state how many it changed. It didn't include the 2 that we changed previously, but then there was 6 remaining. So it made 6 replacements. That's perfect. Click OK, then click Close. Of course, we can undo all of this by pressing Ctrl+Z on your keyboard or clicking the Undo button at the top, or we can use the Replace tool again. This time, press Ctrl+H on your keyboard to open up this window. And this time round, Find What, I'm going to look for Tuesday and I'm going to replace it with Monday. Then select Replace All. All done, we made 8 replacements. That's correct because there are 8 Mondays in the text. Click OK, then click Close, then scroll back up to your paragraph. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you learn more about editing text efficiently, then check out my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.